English buddy say?
Should be easy, 200 yards.
That's what I'm talking about from there over there.
Yep, that's right. I think I caught that once already, that it was about 200 yards. That clump right behind it is 212.
So this is one of our cabins. We don't normally sleep in here unless we get a lot of people in camp. It's got water, but it's normally shut off. So we've decided doing our sighting in work. We took the rangefinder out here yesterday and shot out into this field.
Drop your hanky there.
What? Yeah. Yeah, like that.
That's
because
212.
there's nothing right there except you're shooting into the hill.
And right back in this shady corner, we got a couple flags back there marking 150 yards. A little bit closer where this berm is, right where the road we drive the cart up on is at 100, and there's another flag back here at 100. And then right back down this tree in the middle, we've got a spot that's 200 yards. So we can take some long shots if we need. So I'm going to clear all this out with the Echo. Clear all this out. We'll have a spot here or over here depending on where you want to shoot. Might even be able to set up right inside of here and do some shots straight out the window. We'll kind of see how that works. It's an idea.
Look on the wall.
Got our turkey gun target.
That's 13 yards. That's 23.
Let's put out these two targets here at 100 yards. Got our bucket so we can re-up the targets after we shoot them up. Putting up a new sheet for the 25-yard turkey target. You get the 35-yard 22 target. And down you can see the 200-yard targets. Right now we're shooting the Remington 1187 special purpose with a True Glow holographic sight. You're gonna be it right on the money.
Right to my. Go forward to the left.
The elevation's good. Going hot.
Hold on. Looks good to me. I went through it.
All right, one more time. I'm enjoying getting my face a little, beat up.
Yeah. There you go. Bingo.
This is a Winchester Model 70, a newer one, so they're not as good as the older ones, but it's the caliber is 270 Winchester. Got a real nice Zeiss scope on it that a good friend of mine gave me, and it's only been on there for, I guess, one other trip to the range. See how bad off we are. Chuck.
Yeah.
Hot.
That's dead straight, about an inch high.
That's the way it looks to me too.
That is about perfect.
What would your English buddy say?
Don't fuck with that.
What you got there?
This is a Marlin lever action 308 Express.
Looks like a cowboy gun.
It is. It's very cool. But if you're worried about shooting a tight group at 100 yards, you're probably better off with the 270.
And you got a Nikon on there.
There's a Nikon scope.
Same target?
Yeah. We can tell them apart, can't we?
Yep. Well, if I was taking a wild ass guess, because it's not on the paper, but it looks like it's on the edge at about 1 o'clock, the outer ring.
That one felt good when the trigger broke.
Not on the paper.
Why don't you shoot another one? I moved it 1.5 inches left. Okay.
That one's 2 inches, 2.5 inches low. It did come in 1.5 inches, but it was shot low on that one. Same spot.
Yep, 2 inches high. See it? Yep.